welcome. It is time for a Monday Assembly. I always love Monday Assemblies because we do get to set our challenge for the next week. But before we set the challenge, let's look at what this week's precept is.
Respect is a two-way street. This means that to give respect, you'll get respect. When we're kind and caring to each other and we respect each other's beliefs, then they too can be kind and caring to us and respect our beliefs. Sometimes this may be difficult, but it's the way for us to all get along together in society. So now we have this week's Challenge 13, which is an exciting one. This week, you're going to become an inventor. Thomas Edison, a famous inventor, once said, "To invent, you need a good imagination and a pile of junk." And I know one thing, all of you have a fantastic imagination. Now, to invent, you need to have a bit of a process. You need to think about what you're going to do, explore how you will do it, sketch it out, then create it, make it, try it out, and then you need to tweak it up. Now, some of the inventions may be something that will help you out in the house, or maybe it'll just be something fun to do. It doesn't really matter what your invention is, as long as it's something that comes from your own creativity and your own mind, and you make it or sketch it out yourself. So you can actually make it, or you can actually draw it out, because it may be just something too big to do now. But then also, let's see, you could do a game. Lots of new games created have started from just an idea, particularly from children.
So, does that sound exciting? We're going to become inventors this week, and you can invent anything that you want to. It might be something that helps your mom or your dad or your grandparents, or it might be something that helps you, or it could be a game, a really fantastic new game. Now, remember, this is not the only challenge that's going on. We still have 30 Days Wild, which is a fantastic challenge for us to do this week because it's going to be a lovely week. It's going to have some nice weather. Now, it's going to also be hot. So remember, if you're going out and about for any time, you need to make sure you wear a hat, wear sunscreen, and you drink lots and lots of water so we can stay hydrated. Now, send all of your pictures from both our challenge of inventions and the 30 Days Wild challenge, because that's still going on, and send that to your class teacher, or you can send it to me on Twitter at NewlandsPrimary_PS. Okay, I'll see you on Friday when we celebrate all the wonderful things that you have done this week. Have a good week.